Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna do real unboxing video of MX Master 3 wireless mouse from Logitech. And with saying real unboxing video, I'm not implying or saying that every other YouTube video about this product is fake. I bought this mouse with my own money, with my own box, and I'm not sponsored by any other company. So this is my honest opinion, and I'm just giving my opinion to you guys. So this might be biased as my other videos are or will be. So just keep that in mind. I'm just giving you my honest impression and idea and thoughts. So before beginning my unboxing, I have been using this small wireless mouse from Logitech. The model number is 170, and I have been using that small mouse for like a couple of weeks now. And although I was quite satisfied with this small mouse in the beginning, just because I got that for free when I was purchasing my new laptop, the thing is, it is really small and it gives you kind of a weird grip when you're using it. So I decided to ditch it and I went to Electromart, which is one of the popular and famous electronic retailer in my country, and I tried almost every mice that they have, and I came down to this MX Master 3 because it gives you a really good grip, although the price is kind of high. The price that I paid is at today's exchange rate, it is 88 US dollars. But in US market, I think the retail price for this mouse is 99 bucks. But I think you will get a more affordable price when you can find nice deal. So let's just start unboxing then. And I'm gonna just open it right now. So there is a seal, the plastic seal over here. So let's open it. Okay, here we go. So nice MX on the front. Mm, nice. So this is mouse. So it's a dongle, unifying dongle. That's what Logitech says. So you can use this mouse with either Bluetooth or with dongle. And I have tried this mouse for many times at Electromart, and so I know the grip, and the grip is really great. It is kind of tilted or supinated, so even if you use it for quite a long time, you don't get any or less fatigue than the usual mouse. And there are some like simple instruction under the mouse. And the thing about this mouse is you can use three devices with this mouse. So you can drag a file from computer A and then drop that on computer B and computer C with this single mouse. I think that technology is really great. And the other technology that I like with this mouse is the wheel. Logitech says it adopts a magnetic wheel, so it has like magnetic field to hold this wheel, and it doesn't make any noise. I mean, it still makes some kind of small noise, but as you can see here, as you can hear, it's very subtle, not loud or not noticeable at all. That's it. And it has two different wheels on it. So you have a vertical wheel here, and you have horizontal wheel. So if you are working with a bunch of numbers on Excel, and then you have to scroll down or scroll left or right very easily, and it has back and forth button on the left, and on the right there's no button, and over here there's one button here too. And it has a USB-C charging port, so you can just use your USB-C cable to charge this. And I'm not sure if they offer USB-C cable. Let's just figure it out. Oh yeah, they do have. So this is probably manual. Yeah, it's not manual, but safety and warranty information. So that's it. And here is the cable. And the first impression about this cable is, yeah, it looks solid. Um, I like this. I mean, you have this a Velcro cable tie that is an extra score. Yeah. Other than that, it's just normal USB-C cable with Logitech or their new brand logo Logi on it. And there's one more paper here, MX keys. Okay, another sales pitch for their keyboard. Yeah, I think that is pretty much it. I mean, there is nothing left here. Yep. So yeah, that's it. Um. So okay, so that is the end of real unboxing of MX Master 3. I'll be back with honest real review probably within 1 week. So see you then. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time, and ciao.